Number 7 is about general motion. A particle moves in a straight line. The particle is initially at rest at point O on the line. At time t, after leaving O, the acceleration a of the particle is given by a equals to 25 minus t squared for t between 0 until 9. Find the maximum velocity of the particle in this time period. Now, maximum velocity is reached when acceleration equals to 0. So we can put it 0 equals to 25 minus t squared. So the t is equals to 5 seconds. Take only positive numbers because time cannot be negative. Now we need to find equation for v. So v is the integration of a with respect to t. So a equals to integral 25 minus t squared dt equals to 25t minus 1 over 3 t cubed plus c. Don't forget, we have to add c for every integration. How do we find c? It says initially, so t equals to 0. At rest, v equals to 0. At point O, so s equals to 0. So these three words are the keyword in the general motion equations, yeah? Initially, rest, and then point O. So we can put v equals to 0, 25 times 0, minus 1 over 3 times 0, and then plus c. So c equals to 0. So we can have v equals to 25t minus 1 over 3t cubed plus 0. Now we can replace 5 seconds. So v equals to 25 times 5 minus 1 over 3, 5 cubed. So it's 125 minus 125 over 3. So equals to 250 over 3 meter per second. So this is the maximum speed. I find the total distance traveled until the maximum velocity is reached. So we can just use the integration. So S is integral P dt. So integral 25t minus 1 over 3t cubed dt from 0 until 5. So 25 over 2t squared minus 1 over 12 t4, we put the limit equals to 25 over 2, 5 squared minus 1 over 12, 5 to the power of 4, minus with 25 over 2. Times 0 minus 1 over 12 times 0. So this is equals to 260 meters. Triple I. The acceleration of the particle for t greater than 9 is given by a equals to negative 3 t minus half. Find the velocity of the particle when t equals to 25. Velocity of the particle when t equals to 25. Now, our question is limited only from 0 until 9. After 9, it followed by this formula. So maybe we can find the velocity when t equals to 9. So v equals to, what's the formula again? V is 25t minus 1 over 3 t cubed. 25t minus 1 over 3 t cubed. 25 times 9 minus 1 over 3 times 9 cubed. So this equals to negative 18 meter per second. Now, how do we find the velocity when t equals to 25? So we have to find the velocity formula for this state. Again, we integral the acceleration. So integral negative t3 negative half dt. So this becomes t to the power half and then negative 6 plus c. And then we put when t equals to 9, v equals to negative 18. So negative 6 times 9 half plus c, negative 18 equals to negative 18 plus c. So c equals 0. Then the formula will be negative 6t half. Put the time 25. So the v will be equals to negative 6, 25 to the power of half equals to minus 30 meter per second.